Good day everyone, we are Group 2 and this is our supply chain management plan. The event that we got is Reunion, a masquerade ball reunion of City College of Calapan BSHMTF batch 2024 to 2025. So in the first month, which is April, is the initial planning of the event. First is set the date. The date of the said event is supposedly August 9, 2024. Venue selection. Our chosen venue is at the Filipiniana Hotel located at Santo Niño, Calapan. Form a committee. Since 7 po kami sa group, we created a 7-member committee that consists of the chairperson or coordinator, treasurer, venue and logistics manager, programming and activities coordinator, catering and hospitality manager, marketing and communication officer, and decorations and volunteer coordinator. Importance po ng forming a committee is para ma-disseminate yung workload at mapadali yung pagpaplano. Survey interest. Dito po ay para malaman pa namin yung preferred gawin or mga suggestions ng mga guests. So this is our budget plan, estimated cost regarding venue, food, decoration, and etc. Venue, 30,000 pesos. Catering, 60,000 pesos assuming 1,500 per person. Service charge, 9,000 pesos. Entertainment, 35,000 pesos. Decorations and supplies, 17,000 pesos. Invitations and promotions, 7,000 pesos. Miscellaneous, 12,000 pesos. Post-event cost, 6,500 pesos. Contingency fund, 20,000 pesos, 50% of estimated budget. Total, 196,500 pesos. This is the mood board of the event that we're opting for. Next is the risk mitigation strategies. These are the strategies that we are going to implement before the event day. Weather-related risk. Have a backup indoor location tents available. Provide weather-appropriate supplies like blankets. Since gabi po gaganapin yung event, maaari pong lamigin yung ibang guests, especially girls, so magpo-provide tayo ng blanket. Health and safety risk. Ensure medical personnel or first aid station are on-site. Check food safety standards with caterers para maiwasan ng mga aksidente, food poisoning, and such. Logistical risk. Have backup vendors and equipment providers if ever magkaroon ng equipment malfunction. Arrange reliable transportation with backup plans. Conduct a thorough pre-event check of all logistics. Pumapasok din po dito yung sa seating arrangement para maiwasan yung kakulangan sa mauupuan. Security risk. Hiring a security personnel for the safety of the guests. Use wristbands or tickets for entry control. Set up surveillance if needed. Financial risk. Papasok dito ang budget planning na may contingency funds or money set aside to cover possible unforeseen future expenses na worth 20,000 pesos.
So, ito naman is month ng May. Action. Logistic and details. Team and activities. Catering, entertainment at innovation design. So, yung aming expected output sa teams and activities is, aming team is Masquerade Ball. Ang aming activities na pinagawa is icebreaker, memory line, games, award ceremony, at photo booth. Ang catering namin is wala kami expected output. Tapos ang entertainment naman is nag-hire kami ng DJ or local live band. Tapos kami ay meron ding innovation design. So ang supplier namin sa catering is Moments Catering Service o Filipiniana Hotel. Located po siya sa may Lumang Bayan at malapit po siya sa may tapat ng Centro Mall, banda-banda ron po. Tapos sa amin pong entertainment or dun sa hire a DJ or a local band, ang amin pong supplier is Isay Band. Located po siya sa Beaumontville, Calapan. Meron po siyang number na 0915-630-1197. Tapos siya po ay may email na isaiacoustic@gmail.com.
By the month of June naman po, ginawa namin po ay yung sa invitation and promotion. Send invitation. Dito po ay nagbigay kami ng mga invitation in a way through social media or personal. And social media promotion. Dito naman ay nag-create kami ng page about dito sa event namin and nag-promote about sa reunion para mas lalong dumami ang pumunta. Follow up. dito naman po ay nag-follow up kami agad para dun sa mga di nagre-respond para di masayang ang aming ginawa. And dito naman po is sa vendor confirmation, kinonfirm namin lahat ng aming venue, caterer, and entertainment para ayos pagdating ng mismong event.
Month of July naman po is for action is final preparations, program finalization, decorations, and supply, then volunteer coordination and confirm RBCPS. Then expected output naman po namin sa program finalization is drop a detailed event program, and expected output naman po namin sa decoration and supply naman po is finalize decoration plans, and ang expected output naman po namin sa volunteer coordination is recruit volunteers to help on the day of the event. Then ang expected output naman po namin sa confirm RBCPS is reach out to those who haven't confirmed attendance to get a final number. Then last po is ang napili namin na supplier is Partilicious Events and Services C58J plus HWW Quezon, Dr. Lapan 5200 Oriental Mindoro. Then ang contact number po nila is 096543837777. Then ang kanila po email is bloomspartilicious@gmail.com.
This is the month of August. This is the day of event. As the event days arrives, our team will meet early at the venue for our final walkthrough, ensuring that everything is set up according to the plan. This includes checking the seating arrangement, decoration, and technical setup like sound system and lighting. We will have the detailed checklist to ensure no detail is overlooked, from the placement of the name tags, the seat setup, registration, table, of the readiness of the catering staff and the entertainment crew. Our team members will be assigned specific roles for the day, such as welcoming the guests, managing the registration desk, coordinating with the caterers, and handling any last-minute changes or issue that may arise. As the guests begin to arrive, we will ensure that they are greeted warmly and directed to the event area. We also distribute events program and guided them through the activities. Throughout the event, our team will stay on the top of the schedule, making sure that segment of the program runs smoothly and on time. We will have dedicated point person to communicate with the band, caterers, or other vendors to ensure they are ready for the appropriate times.
Communication. Regular meeting schedules, frequent meetings, in person or virtual, to discuss progress, address concerns, and delegate tasks. Group chat, email chains. Establish a group chat or via email to share quick updates, ask questions, and coordinates on the fly. Initial contact, reaching out to potential vendors, caterers, venues, entertainers, with clear requests for a proposal. So, nandiyan na po lahat ng mga details sa communication, and napakadali lang naman intindihin ng communication. Then, ginamit po namin dito ay virtual or face-to-face, then Gmail and group chat. Yun po ang ginamit namin pang communication sa mga dadalo and sa mga caterers or sa other specific person.
Follow up the planning team or the committee. Task reminder, dapat ay regular na ipaalala sa mga miyembro ng team ang kanilang responsibility at mga deadline para maging organized ang trabaho. Check-in meetings. Regular na pag-check-in sa mga meetings upang masubaybayan ang proseso at may adjust ang mga plano kung kinakailangan. Status update. Dapat time to time may update sa kanilang ginagawa para malaman kung ano ang hindi pa naayos. Follow up with vendors. Initial confirmation. Dito po ay pagkatapos pumili ng mga vendor, maaari pong magpadala ng confirmation sa email, naglalahad ng lahat ng napagkasundo ang detalye gaya ng petsa, oras, serbisyo at presyo. At kailangan humingi ng confirmation mula sa kanila. Mid-planning check-in. Sa kalagitnaan ng proseso ng pagpaplano, maaaring makipag-ugnayan sa bawat vendor upang tiyakin na maayos ang lahat. Ito rin ay pagkakataon upang matugunan ng anumang bagong pangangailangan o pagbabago. Pre-event confirmation. 1 hanggang 2 linggo bago ang event, dapat muling kumpirmahin ang lahat ng nakasunduan sa mga vendor, kagaya ng oras ng pagdating, mga kinakailangang setup at anumang huling detalye. Day before of contacts. On the day before or the morning of the event, magpadala ng huling paalala o tumawag upang matiyak na handa at nasa schedule na ang lahat. Follow up with attendees. RSVP follow-ups. Kapag ang mga bisita ay hindi pa tumugon sa RSVP deadline, mahalagang magpaalala upang malaman kung sila ay dadala o hindi. Maaari itong gawin sa pamamagitan ng email, text, o tawag. Event reminders. Magpadala ng paalala sa email o mensahe ilang araw bago ang event upang ipaalala sa mga bisita ang mahalagang detalye tulad ng okasyon, oras, at impormasyon sa parking. Sa ganitong paraan, matutulungan maging handa ang mga dadalo at mabawasan ang posibilidad na may hindi sisipot. Nakatutulong ito sa mas maayos at pag-asikaso at pagplano ng para sa event.